Here's a late model trade at Unique, especially in classics. 2019 Chevrolet Impala LT Sedan. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles. Just a touch over 68,000 on this one. Was actually one of our employees' vehicle that traded in on another one we'd gotten in here. 3.6 liter VVT V6 underneath the hood. Of course, all your modern amenities: power steering, power brakes, AC, automatic transmission. Take a look at the fascia. This is a very clean car. Yeah, you're going to find maybe a few little imperfections with the miles on, but you can see paint shows nice, silver ice metallic. If you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see this car from every angle: the engine bay, interior, undersides, trunk. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Eldorado Legend tires were put on in the fall of 21. Plenty of life left in those. Dark gray or charcoal interior. Cloth vinyl blend bucket seats. Of course, center console. And all the other modern amenities that you're going to get on a 2019 Impala with the LT package. One little touch up back here that I'd noticed, but again, very clean car. Obviously, we take trade-ins. We do have financing available. We can assist with transportation, and this vehicle would be eligible for an extended service contract. Just consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Once again, those pictures, so you can see this car from every angle. Take your time looking through it. Be over 100 pictures of this car online. UniqueClassicCars.com. Just click on that link down below the video. If you're seeing it on YouTube, it's going to take you right there, riding on an 18-inch stock wheels. And you can see down the driver's side too, it's not full of nicks, dings, or scratches from a parking lot or garage, anything like that. This one looks as good in person as it does in the pictures and videos. Let's go ahead and take a look at the rear seating area, which was hardly used, and it definitely shows. Of course, this would have the fold-down seats, so if you needed to haul something longer from the trunk into the rear seating area, that can be done. Of course, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, power seat over here, driver's side, driver's information center, steering wheel controls. Let's go ahead and start this up. Both key fobs will be included with it. Owner's manuals are in the glove box. Close the door so we can get rid of that chime. There's your exact miles, 68,562. Infotainment system. Dual electronic climate control. Take a look at the rest of the dash. Of course, your Sirius XM radio, OnStar. Again, all the modern amenities. And stock sounding, as you can hear, runs nice and smooth. A little different than the big blocks and the hot rods we get in here. I'm going to pause this, just at least take a peek at the engine bay, show you how clean and well taken care of that is. And we'll wrap this video up. Underside of the hood liner, very clean. Doesn't look like this was driven in much for inclement weather. And then the engine bay. What you'd expect in a newer, late model like this. Nice, clean, tidy engine bay. Well maintained, well cared for. Clean Carfax 2019 Chevrolet Impala LT Sedan. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 2019 Chevrolet Impala. Radio works good. Everything appears to work good. It says 68,565 miles on the odometer. It feels even less than that. As you can see, it is winter in Minnesota, but the roads are primarily dry, and we do wash our vehicles so we can do these driving videos for you. If there's any flicker to the gauges, that's just our camera's frame rate, not the gauges. The gauges work excellent. Let's get her up to speed. Great acceleration with this car. This is an automatic on the center console. Very easy to drive. Very comfortable. Got some power seat options. It's a nice black interior. This car goes smoothly down the highway. I don't feel any shakes or jiggles from the tires. I don't feel any pull side to side. It's nice and straight. And a quiet ride. And a comfortable ride. Excellent car for anyone looking for a Chevrolet Impala. Check it out at uniqueclassiccars.com for all the details, more pictures,